You need to hear this if you're a history buff. The year 1989 marked not just the end of a wall, but the dawn of newfound freedom and unity. Dive into the historic fall of the Berlin Wall. On November 9, 1989, a wave of hope washed over Berlin as the wall, which had stood as a stark divide between East and West Germany for 28 years, was brought down. This wasn't just concrete being shattered, it was the shattering of barriers. Families reunited, and the world watched in awe as East and West Berliners danced atop the wall, chisels and hammers in hand. The fall of the Berlin Wall is not just a moment in history, it's a testament to the power of the human spirit to overcome divisions. The joy, the tears, and the overwhelming sense of unity felt on that day echo through history, reminding us of the power of liberation and the enduring quest for freedom. As the wall crumbled, so did the barriers that had kept families apart and stifled the spirit of a nation. The fall of the Berlin Wall was a monumental event that reshaped the world, a powerful reminder that unity and freedom can triumph over division and oppression. Narrator at 1. 2x. Want to learn more about this incredible moment in history? Subscribe to our channel and join us on a journey through time. Don't miss out on our next video.